Governor Gretchen Whitmer has not ruled out reducing the state income tax rate, but she most certainly does not endorse what her opponent wants to do, which is to wipe it out completely over 8 to 10 years. If enacted, it would eventually reduce the state budget by $12 billion. Of course, the big question is that Roop Barrage asked, how do you fill that hole? Ms. Dixon concedes she does not have the hands-on experience to make that call.
I know what I don't know as a leader, and that's why I'm surrounding myself with people who do.
Ms. Dixon explains that is why she picked the former Republican chair of the House Budget Committee, Representative Shane Hernandez, who does have experience with the state budget. Meanwhile, Ms. Dixon promises here for the first time that she will not do this to the budget to fill in the gap.
We will never affect education. We will never affect policing. Those fundamentals of government we want to make sure. But we also want to be smart about the budget and make sure we don't have pork in the budget.
Ms. Dixon believes if you eventually eliminate the state income tax, more jobs and workers will come into the state.
If we reduce our income tax, it draws a bigger population, and then we have a much bigger pool of taxes, and we're able to bring more corporations here.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, this idea is a...
maybe a 3.
That's the former head of the nonpartisan House Fiscal Agency and state government. Mitch Bean warns that while you're waiting for folks to relocate in Michigan, the state services in the budget year to year will have to be cut in the interim.
You'd have to find cuts every single year for the next 8 years.
And then
it doesn't make any sense.
At the end, there's no guarantee that people will flock to Michigan.
That is a silly assumption, quite frankly.
Ms. Dixon obviously believes it will work. In Lansing, Tim Skubic, Fox 2 News.